Hello and welcome to FinTalk Insights, the show where we discuss everything related to the credit world, brought to you by Credit Click, a renowned fintech company that provides excellent digital debt recovery services. And I am your host, Mitusha. Today, we will be discussing the ins and outs of different credit scores and what type of loan or credit card you can avail with that. And today, we are excited to have Mr. Gaurav, who is working as the growth marketer in Stepto, and they will be throwing some light on today's topic. Hey Gaurav, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hello, Patricia. Thank you so much for your warm welcome and having here.
So, before starting the main topic, we would like to request our guests to brief us something about credit score.
Yeah, sure. I would like to discuss about the case score because last 2 years I'm only doing this. So yes, we should definitely talk about the first. So basically, a credit score is a three-digit number that rates your credit worthiness in India. So we'll give this score that varies between 300 and 900. And yes, credit score is based on your credit history, which include information like the number of accounts, total level of debt, repayment history, and other factors too. And yes, lender use credit score to evaluate your credit worthiness or the likelihood that you will repay loan in timely manner.
And can you please tell us how does CIBIL calculates one score? Like, what is the criteria of evaluation?
Yeah, sure, but there is some basics point like the calculation strategy is pretty simple. There are 5 main factors that are taken into consideration while calculation of credit score. The first is your payment history that is taken into consideration. Then yes, it's your credit utilization ratio, how much you are using the your credit worthiness. And after that, your length of credit history is seen by the lender. Then the type of credit you are using, like credit card, personal loan, secure, unsecured. And lastly, how many applications you have filled to avail new credits.
Okay, you said that CIBIL provides a score between 300 to 900, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's discuss about what happens when you are at different scores.
Yeah, definitely. So if we start talking about the range, then the first one is a 300 to 549. This is considered as a poor range. A score in this range indicate high risk of default. It suggests poor credit behavior or multiple instance of missed payment. It's very difficult to obtain loan with this score. And after that, you can call us between 550 and 649. It's considered as a fair range, which will display that there has been some indiscipline in prepayment of credit in the past, and it is possible to get loan with higher interest rate and strict conditions. And the next one is the between 650 and 699. That is considered as a good credit score, which indicate that you have a decent credit history and you have some financial discipline. You can get the personal loan, home loan, and the interest rate are still high but somewhat relaxed than that previous ones. And after that, we have a score ranging between 700 and 749, which is very good, showing good credit behavior. It's considered no risk by the lender. You are likely to receive quick approval for various type of loan, including personal, home, and credit card. And the last one, we think the range between 750 and 900 is considered as excellent. Indicate that you have a highest sense of financial discipline. At this range, you can get the best interest rate and longer terms. You can get credit card with high limit too.
Now, can you please put some light on what kind of loans and credit cards can we avail at each of these score ranges?
Yeah, sure. So if you have a score in between 349, it's very difficult to obtain a secure loan. But you can get secure credit card and loan which has a guaranteed secure with some collaterals. And yes, between 550 and 649 is possible to get loans such as personal loan, even home loan to some lender provide. But the loan would be given at a higher interest rate, strict condition, and loan amount may be low. And basic credit card with low range. Okay. After that, we talk about the 650 and 749. You can get the loan, but with the higher interest rate and maybe higher down payment, while getting a home loan or vehicle loan, whenever the standard card with reasonable limit and benefit can be availed easily. And the last one is the 750 to 900. Getting loan of higher value and low interest rate is easy, and you will have to go through limit terms and condition. Getting credit card is even easy, and you can easily avail high limit and premium card with benefits.
And now we would like for you to share your views. What is the future of this ongoing digital era? Will it be moving forward and achieving immense heights, or will it be having a stagnant growth in the future?
Yeah, that's my point. And you can say I am the main person who will talk about this because digital is my main career, my passions. So yes, with the increase the need and works in the internet, my view related to the digital era is strongly positive. There is a growth potential in this digital collections industry as it highly effective companies can provide their customer with high-end quality of work. There are chatbots now to reach the customer as per their need and available 24 hours. And now you can even communicate as per your preferred medium as on WhatsApp, SMS, and you can also call the IVR, I mean phone calls. There are a digital dashboard that help that banks to see the performance of their customer. The company have even started providing financial literacy to their customer, have start keeping a consumer-centric approach where they support and also increase and protect their customer to increase their dignity and trust amongst their customer. With all these ongoing innovations, it's sure that the digital era would see an immense growth within the upcoming year.
That it will for sure. And with this, we would like to finish today's episode here, and we would like to thank our guest, Mr. Gaurav, to accompany us today and educate us on this. And you stay tuned for the next episode. Share this episode with your friends and your family, and do follow us on our Instagram handle. If you have any questions or suggestions to make, feel free to approach us. Thank you for tuning into FinTalk Insights by Credit Click, and we will see you in the next episode.